Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Crypto Genius. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. But wait, don't hit that skip button just yet. We're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces, starting with the golden child of digital currency, Bitcoin. So what exactly is Bitcoin? Picture this. You're at a party, and someone hands you a magic internet coin. It's not like the coins you have in your pocket. You can't hold it or put it in a piggy bank. Instead, it lives in a magical digital wallet on your computer or phone. That's Bitcoin, a virtual currency that exists solely in the digital realm. Now, you might be wondering, but how is it different from the money I use every day? Great question. Traditional currencies like dollars or euros are controlled by governments and banks. They print the money and regulate its value. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is decentralized. That means no single entity controls it. It's like a global game of hot potato, but with digital coins instead. Here's where things get really interesting. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Think of it as a giant digital notebook that everyone can see. When you make a transaction, it gets added to this notebook, creating a permanent record. But here's the kicker. Instead of a bank or government overseeing this ledger, it's maintained by a network of computers owned by people all around the world. This process is called mining, and it's how new Bitcoins are created. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, but what can I actually do with Bitcoin? Well, it's a bit like digital gold. Some people buy and hold onto it as an investment, hoping its value will go up over time. Others use it to buy goods and services online, from pizza to plane tickets. And because it's decentralized and borderless, you can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in the world, almost instantly. Time for some fun facts. Did you know that the mysterious creator of Bitcoin goes by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto? To this day, nobody knows who they really are. And speaking of mystery, around 20% of all existing Bitcoin is estimated to be lost forever, locked away in forgotten digital wallets or sent to the wrong address. Talk about buried treasure. So, in conclusion, Bitcoin is like the rebel of the currency world, decentralized, digital, and full of surprises. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious investor, or just someone who loves a good story, Bitcoin has something for everyone. And who knows, maybe one day you'll join the ranks of Bitcoin miners or make the purchase of a lifetime with a handful of digital coins. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious.